Good morning, everybody. We had a little bit of audio issues there, but we made it. How's it going, everybody? It's actually not black petit pois, it's blue. So, doesn't fit. Probably will take off some stuff as the stream continues, because this is not something I can stream like 6 hours in, or 3 hours, I guess. Yeah. The title says like, oh, we do the new 2 games demos, Net Profits and Desktop Island. William did send me a few things that he wants me to look at. So we'll look at that. Sovereign Place. I think it's bedtime for you. Where even is it 4:30 in the morning? Oh well. Oh, I did not want to zoom in on Steam. So we need to do Solitaire UI. Ending controller needs to be tweaked, and then the second ending. I realized this when I saw him live stream yesterday, that I was missing the button localization, but that should be fine. So let's just take a look at what he's been doing. I think I still need to pull. I do need to pull. What the hell does Gussie even mean? Hey Tina, by the way, and Zeph. So yeah, yesterday William was just like, hey, are you planning a live stream today? And I'm like, no. And he's like, okay, I'm going to live stream. He didn't schedule a stream. He was just like, I'm live now. And then he was like, the first 10 minutes was like, what the fuck do we do audio-wise? But other than that, I think it went all right. Okay. Hey, Triada. How's it going? We did unfortunately drop back into mixed also. So it might genuinely be over. Oh well. Let's hope Service Pack 2 fixes it. Yeah, the William stream is also, you know, at a different time zone than when I usually stream. Kind of. Come on, Unity. Every live stream starts with me waiting 5 minutes for Unity to start. But I think we're gonna get there. We already made some of the spreadsheets, but I need to go and take a look here. No, I don't want to do this. The game into option sell company. Okay, so we need to do here GameWin _2_ declined _ option, and then the other one is acquired. So this would be something like regain ownership, and what's the other one? Declined. So if you've previously declined, accept buyout, something like that. Okay, good. Sovereign Place. I saw your message before the stream started already. Hey Marek, sorry if you answered this question already, but you just wanted to know what kind of game should I be focusing on as a beginner game dev if I am planning on going full-time game dev. The question is, what is your skill right now? Because if you want to make money, it's make open world survival crafting game, but this is for a lot of people not really what they can do. If you're new, yeah, 2D Pixar platformer. Yeah, actually I was looking at this game. It did really well on Steam in 2025. And I just thought, you know, maybe we should also make like 2D... No, it's not even Pixar, but a 2D platformer. Imagine if this was pixel art. It would have made even more money. But no, generally, it matters on how much skill you have. That's the big thing. Because it's easy for me to say, like, oh, make an incremental game. But I don't know if you can actually, like, if like you have the skills to make it really simple, just pictures and jumping. Yeah, that's all you need, Shady. Did they hire a composer and an orchestra? I want to actually take a look, because it's been a while now. God damn it. Under 15. I don't think they broke even. Right? Because they also got like the Almost Ready Games Fund. And then they have a publisher. And then, yeah, no, 43K in estimated gross revenue. I'm assuming they have a pretty high... Oh, no, this was recently. Okay, very positive 210. It's better. But I feel like they may have too much. I think the job simulator genre isn't dead, but I think it's kind of a little bit different now. I don't know how to explain it well, as in... I think they can still definitely work. But I think, yeah. Can you start a larger game in the background? Do you have some time for it? No, I would rather just start another smaller game. Nostalgia Simulator. You mean like this? We have some null references. Why? Oh. I think because I started not from Bootstrap. I don't know why. William had like some extensions at the top of my Unity, but they're just gone. Hey, Prototype Dev. How was... No, you're not Bird Game. Never mind. Can I get another game on the tip? Is it worth having 2 different Unity projects? Don't do that. That's stupid. That's miserable. The way that we did it here in MO98 is... Oh, not project settings. You want to have it be one project, because otherwise syncing up changes between the 2 versions, like if you fix a bug on one, you fix it on the other as well. It's just not worth it. Here we just have a scripting define, demo version, and then like this is like Steam. So we have like demo version in Steam, and then regular Steam, and then the full has nothing. And this way we can figure out, okay, is there a demo? And then in the code we do stuff. 2 scenes for demo and full also sounds questionable. Yeah, so I don't think you should do some other Unity project. Also, do you have a big appointment? This is the big appointment. Hanging out with the lads. So if I go here, we now have Solitaire. I'm gonna be honest. I actually forgot kind of how Solitaire works. So we can put like the queen, and then we can put the queen on the key. Why can we not put the king? This is a good question. When are you planning on releasing the demos? It's gonna be after Next Fest. Can I get like a short, simple rules? I need to alternate colors. Okay. So I can put the... I thought this was on ace. Oh. But this 7 can go on the 8, and then this 2 can go on the 3. Okay, and now we're stuck. So, does this go at the bottom? Okay, this goes at the bottom. And we have a 9. Is this like pre-seeded? Because I feel like this is going way too well. We have a 10. Oh, it auto. I couldn't drag it. Oh, aces go into the empty slots. And then can I drag like a king? I don't know if this is just like William didn't implement this well yet, or I am playing it incorrectly. Which also doesn't help. So I assume this is saved. I'm going to, because it's kind of small, I'm going to disable the filtering for a second. They need to be the same color. Didn't you just tell me they needed to be alternating colors? Mr. Yodi, like 10 messages ago, you need to alternate colors. And then the slots need to be the same suit. Ah, so if I have another like king, I guess. So I cannot drag. Only top pile, same suit. This must be bizarre. Okay, so I can click this one. I can't. Okay, let's make some odds and ends. Can't drag from the top pile. Smaller on top of larger. That part I knew. Descending rank, alternating colors, stack same suit in the ascending. Oh, ascending order. So if I have a 2, but this is not a heart, I could put it on here. So, okay. I think this is an illegal move because I thought you're not allowed. Actually, maybe I don't know. What do I know? And then we can reshuffle. Okay, so this one can go on here. First Alden should be allowed to play in. I think it should be that I can drag this card because I can drag these, but I cannot drag this. I just click it and then it like auto submits, which feels, I don't know, incorrect. So this one, like I can't drag this one, but I can just like click it. This game is out. Let's add more solitaire pack of card art. This is new in service pack 2. So this one goes there, yeah. But then, okay. Well, anyways. Let's take a look at making some of... First off, I think the cards... Where's the cards? Third party... Solitaire. Okay, no, these are... I think we only have one back of the card, yeah. Technically, we could do this one as well. What's like... Is Solitaire... copyright? Okay, so I can't call it Microsoft Solitaire, but it seems like we can call it regular Solitaire. So let's do that as well. Bomb Duster, start menu, Minesweeper. Solitaire. I only know free cell. We were planning, but the games aren't good enough. Also, I saw Paddle like 5 seconds. I don't know. A game that's driven by sound is immediately like an ick for me. Are you gonna add blue screen of that? We already had that before for the end of the demo. Macro Heart. Micro Slop Solitaire. Okay. So... this one instead of Bomb Duster. Come on. Okay. Let's pull. Then start menu Solitaire. Okay. This is done. So he wants me to make the window bigger, scale up the cards a bit. Also think if we need a menu, and if so, what actions it needs. Okay, so I assume Solitaire is a prefab. Pop-up, okay. If we make this 1200 by 800. I see what he means, and then card pile, I guess, needs to become bigger. So 9.5 by 133. Why is Marnik stressed for his funeral? Because it's your mom's funeral. After I get done with her. Because it's a work day, guys. Have some respect for yourself. We can't all be sitting like slobs inside our home. Doesn't take it. Okay. We'll just do it this way. This is a little bit too big. Then I think I should... Ugh. How did you do this? Why do I have random spacing? Okay, anyways. It is indeed Japanese salaryman. Oh, fucking hell. I shouldn't have done it like this. I don't know where my Fight Me scene selector. Okay, and then I think if I click this on Bootstrap and then go to game scene again, I think I should be able to run from game scene now. There are 2 modes. God damn it. So, solitaire. The actual card itself. The piles are bigger, but the cards now aren't. Okay. Think we can fix that. Let's take a look at what card pile is. It's literally just one single image. Great. It didn't help me at all. That student taking on hecklers. It's Marnik's car. I'm like, oh, we're gonna do some chill net profits today, but I guess not. So, oh yeah, I can now click this, but we need a on hover. I'm gonna add this for myself. Chat message highlight on hover. Should be pretty easy to do though. Solitaire. It spawns a card. Aha, the card needs to have the same size as card pile. That's the problem. 120 by 150. I do know who Jimmy Carr is, thank you very much. I am slightly too young, I assume, for really knowing him, but I do know who you're referring to. Bonjour Boris. Boris. Tout est bien pour moi. Okay. So I guess one easy thing we can do honestly with the cards is for both preserve aspect, because it's currently kind of weirdly fitted, and then we can just figure out like what's kind of the like perfect size to run with. Hi, Isa Castillo Harris, 1910. God damn it, you must be old. We have a 116-year-old guy in chat. Or he's born on the 19th of October. I think those are the 2 options. Just randomly clicking at this point. This game is out. This is just an update that we're doing right now. The title is kind of wrong for the Twitch stream. I was gonna work on the next game, but then my developer was like, hey, I made an update for the old game. This game is MO98. So let's make this a width of 130 and a height of 180 to 133. No, 130 with a height of 185. This seems to be a good number. 130, 185. Let's see what this looks like. I think it's still gonna be too small, to be honest. How do you handle negative comments? You shadow ban them. It just sucks, kinda. To a certain degree, you do get better at it, but it never gets really good. We don't have Norman hats. How are you gonna do a stream with that? Okay, this is starting to look better and bigger. Okay, we have Bomb Duster. Oh, I need to change the window title as well. I'm gonna see actually how does this look full screen. The cards do kind of feel too crunchy still. That's the one problem I have. Because like I can just click these kind of. And then we... Ah, fuck. There was an ace there. So I can't drag it, but I want to drag it. This could go here. This can go here. You can lose this as well, right? You can just be like dealt shitty cards. I don't know. It's been so long as I played on it. Like, I think I used to play this back on Windows Vista. Tim will send a picture of a Norman hat. Yeah, so my other aces are like hidden inside of here. And I cannot move these, right? No, you can't move to an empty one. But I can put the king here. Okay. I think... Let's rename this to... Solitaire. And then I think we're going to... The cards which should be Norman themed. How good do you think I am at art? We're not doing that. I think realistically... Solitaire pop-up. New game button. Button. This one goes away. And then we call this one just new game. Is there a better way to work place UI elements than changing manually by hand? I think layout groups is what you want. So even the update versions are still in development. Yeah, this is gonna come out normally on Friday. That's kind of the fuck it we ball I decided on. I think it should be doable. Because that's when I scheduled also the artwork override. So kind of that's why. Edit store page. You go to graphical assets here. We have the service pack 2 capsules are like scheduled. to go out. And this is on the 12th of June at midnight Pacific time. So it's like 4 p.m. Friday. A little bit more than 2 days from now, basically. Which I think should be fine. Let's make this longer just in case. Actually, this should be a content size fitter. Horizontal fit, preferred size. And then we need to change the pivot point to 0, I think. And then if like the text changes to like, let's say, achievement, yes, automatically it updates. I don't want achievement though. New game. Why do you look like James Bond? I just wanted to wear a suit today. Too bad. Guys, I don't know if you've watched James Bond. I do not look like James Bond. Don't kid yourself. I'm just in salaryman mode. I can open this. Does this make your life better? More casual now? Here you go. A little bit less stiff and formal. We do not have button clicks. We want like button cards. Oh, huh? I don't know if we want to be able to do this. Can click one of the placed aces and it swaps to another free ace style backhand. You just need to start smoking and wait 20 years. I went to a pagan wedding and there were dogs. That is a unique wedding. I mean, I guess weddings usually might have dogs. Oh, we're crushing it. Oh, did you guys see that? We're crushing it. Holy shit, we're almost released already. Or like, almost done. 555. Ah. Come on. Do we have anything we can do here? Yes. Bam, bam, bam. That's it. Here's what I wanted to say. Is that we need to add sound effects for this game. I saw a heart there at the very back of the card. I also saw an ace. Bam. Lucky. I need a 4, but I don't have a 4. But this is a heart. Take it. This is the one that I wanted. So if we get the hearts 3, is it in the pile? It's not in the pile. That would have been too nice. I think we're stuck now. Are you actually playing solitaire? This is I'm testing, but I think we're stuck kinda. Are we stuck? I feel like we are. What do we have like sound effects wise? Can you just take a look at H.io? Fantasy card game SFX pack. Let's quickly mute this. Yeah, it should like be able to figure out like, oh, this isn't.
Download now at alexmauser.itch.io.
Okay.
Download now at alexmother.itch.io. Download
Jesus Christ, it's a free asset. Why do you have so many like music like on top of it?
alexmother.itch.
This isn't really the sound effect I want though. I want something more like low key. Card sound effects. Or anything just like easy, free. Okay. Made it game over. When stuck. Because we have something similar with Mahjong in net profits as well. And I believe this card stack is going to go too deep. If I'm just looking at this now, like we're at this many cards and then 10, 9, 8, 7, I think we need to have more depth. But why not make the card as fixed? Because it's still gonna be good and it's not worth it. So I think we have no named character games in the works. Going to have to make this like 900. I think that should be all right. I don't get how William did his layout group, honestly. Oh, because it's middle center. That's why. Middle center instead of upper center. Let's keep it like that, but like can like cheat a bit, doing like -50. So it's a bit higher as well. This is localized. Just doesn't show. Okay. Yeah, so this is Minesweeper related. We can get rid of that. Header game. Create empty. Overlay. UI. Image. Game lost overlay. Okay, this is like, we make this black and like gray out. Top, bottom, left, right, 10, 10, 10, 10. This looks good. I hope you don't mind to me. I'm gonna ban you. You're flattering, but I think there are some very big differences, unfortunately. Wearing a suit for stream is top tier bit. I don't know why. Like, honestly, part of like the reason, I think I explained this last time, is like I think this could technically help on Twitch. Oh, let me resume Skyrim as well. Because like the way you browse on Twitch, I think this could, like if you go to twitch.tv, I'll just go bite me. The tie is wrong. I'm so bad at doing a fucking tie, honestly. We go to like software and game development. Okay, I don't know what this is. You know, it's a lot of guys just wearing their fucking t-shirt or some VTubers. And there was like one guy who I saw once and he had like a wizard hat. If everyone else is just wearing a regular t-shirt, you're gonna click on the guy with a wizard hat. You don't really care about the rest. And I was like, what if we try that same theory but with a full-on suit? So far it hasn't been going so well. Pirate Software? No, not Pirate Software. It was some other guy. Also, Sadukastasis. Castitatis. Est-ce que tout est bien? So here we do like, you lost. This is kind of, I mean, we can make this just the entire size. Chop, chop. Bonjour. Bonsoir. Tu dois dormir maintenant. C'est presque 1 heure. I'm clicking on the guy with the game on the screen. I don't know. Have you talked with Wallaber before? Who the hell is Wallaber? These guys? Retro Arcade Rally Racing. Huh? I know this guy from like, I think the memes of the games he makes. Oh, he's streaming? I don't really talk to any other Twitch streamers. They are second class compared to YouTubers. Yeah, I know Wallaber. Okay. Like I don't know him, as in like I've talked to him, but I know who he is. Here, yeah, nerfing the demo in a bit. Also automated is streaming as well. Yeah, because I guess this is peak LA time. Solitaire stuck screen. This is not what I wanted. Solitaire game over. We don't do score. Is there like a game over screen? Hey, Mighty number 8. Marnie's in full corporate on us. No, of course not. Can we play this? No. This is just like someone who's making a classic solitaire. Okay. I think what we will actually need... is let's add another menu button. Let's give it a spacing of like... Why does it do it like that? Because this also needs a content size fitter. Preferred size. No. And then a vertical layout group. Middle center. Width and height. And then I think if we do the next one, yes. New game. And then this is like help. Button. Do we have something just called help? No. But to stand out, you could always record your monitor with your phone. Why would I want to do that? First image is game completion. Oh yeah, we need a game completion screen as well. Yeah, where it like jumps, right? What is this? Jesus Christ. 50,000 wins. An hour or two a day. God damn it, retired boomers. What is it? Pinball? Space Cadet. But Space Cadet is... No. Space Cadet Pinball. This was Windows XP, not Windows 98. And this is like infinitely harder to remake as a little funny side game than just Solitaire. This was the game that I played the shit out of as well on my Windows XP Dell D630. This was the shit. No, right? Yes. This was my homeboy. I used to run on this. This is the beautiful. This was my laptop for like 8 years, not 8 years, but like a long time. I ran XP on this, and then I ran Ubuntu 12 on this. Okay, we need to add a regular help, which we're actually going to put in this other localization that we have. Add a Game Boy emulator. I feel like there's some ninjas from Nintendo who are going to come and kill the shit out of me if I do that. And that makes less sense, I would say, once again, for the setting of the game. Okay. Let's try this again. Generic help. Okay. So we need a automated game over when stuck, and then like windscreen fancy card thing question mark, fancy bouncy card thing question mark. Is pinball difficult to make? It's not difficult to make. The problem is just the models. There's so many like bespoke models, whereas this is just we get some cards. First is if I wanna not Google Shopping. Like this is a lot of models. They're like, I mean, this kind of, you know, it's another Godot game. But like, I don't want to do like this, these modelings and textures and things like that. I know report of the week. He's the guy from My Days Ruined. Something and My Days Ruined. I think actually the stack one I can do myself. Because that one will be here. The draw pile, this is a button. This is not a button, fuck. Why is this not a button? It's just a card pile. Then how does he still like, oh, I clicked something. Table piles. Draw pile, discard pile. I think he literally just checks. Yeah, because it adds a button to it. I don't want it Pripyat Zero is right now on hold. Now this is an actual button. But I want to get it out by fall, by the Steam Screamfest. I think we can rework it. Like, I'm going to massively scope down the game. But I think we can still, like, I want to get it out because I don't want to have just a game that's like to be released on our Steam page. Yeah, maybe I should do the game lost overlay. This is like intercepting everything. Yeah, we don't have sound effects. Okay, I'm just gonna undo the YouTube. I think YouTube resolution should be the same. Both are 1080p. And then both are at like the maximum bitrate that YouTube doesn't complain at me. Do you unlock a new wallpaper trophy? We're not adding new achievements. We don't want to force people who have previously 100%ed the game to come back and play Solitaire. Also, Solitaire, I think, is just too infuriating. As for like potentially a new wallpaper, I think we could technically do it, but I don't think I will. Solitaire pop-up. Why is it so big now? Anyways. So we do like, you lost. Okay. And then probably want to just add like... Nah. We have the new game button up here. I don't think we need like a second. Like we could technically put like a button here. Let's make it like 240 by 60. We could do something like this. It says like new game. But I don't know. I think it looks kind of cheap. Yeah, the pixel fireworks animation sounds simple, right? I don't think it's that simple. But yeah, I do get like where you come from. I'll have to see just how reasonable it is. I think it feels kind of redundant to have both buttons here though. Do we have anything? Take me to the downloads. What does this look like? Third party. Pixel fireworks. Where do you find artists for hire? Oh, it's really hard. Hey, Honor as well. I don't have a good solution. We used Fiverr, but Fiverr is just always... you're not gonna get much most of the time. We've got lucky like one time, maybe 2 times. But that's where it ended. So how do I take this? Add free assets? Usually no, honestly. Unless they explicitly require it. Why the hell do you do a sprite animation again? I don't have a sprite sheet. Window. Okay, so firework. It's like 300 by 300. It's gonna be like 500 by 500, probably more. Did you do mythics? You just had bad spacing, I guess. Oh, you can't ping the c.shady because the dot in her name triggers the posting links. Oh my god. Oh well. So window animation. To begin animating firework pink. Create an animator and an animation clip. Firework pink.anim. I think I just dragged these in. There should be a way to like evenly space it out, right? Change the samples value. Okay. Looks kinda... I think what I kinda just need to do... I think I'm just gonna delete these three. This is so dumb. I feel like what we need is like an empty frame as well. Okay, anyway. Because also we're not doing fireworks for if you lose. Only if you win. Oh well. That's that. So I can't drag, only click. Add sound effect triggers for stack next tree and card placement. You can click one of the placed aces and it swaps another free ace tile. Automated game over when stuck windscreen. Once it comes to marketing, question mark, help pop up with basic rules. Okay. I think I'm gonna leave it at this for now. Let's take a look at the IRC line, because the rest is just William needs to iterate further on it. So this should now... No. Okay. Now with IRC line... Do we have a separation for system and IRC? I don't think so. Yeah, because we just have standard format and legacy format. Is something like net profit, is net profits like ports of call? I'm not sure what ports of call is. This doesn't look to be like it. No. Rats on board. 10k to get rid of some rats back in 1986? No, no, no. We're not doing that. So what I want to do is... This is too much. Okay, here's like this formatting thing, standard format. So here he formats. I have 420 euro. I think it's funny. I got it from like selling some CSGO things. I didn't do it. Maybe I did it on purpose, where I just calculate like, oh, I'm gonna sell it 1 cent cheaper, and then it comes out nicely. So what I basically want is a UI image, ignore not layout element, ignore, put it behind, and we make this like it needs to be here. I think it's too long. Let me check. So I wanted that basically on hover over a chat message, this gets enabled so you can see what, also to kind of indicate of like, hey, you can interact with this thing. Okay, so it seems like the highlighting is okay. Message highlight. Okay. We disable this by... Oh, we disable the image by default. Yes. And then we'll go to Satan. I don't know. I think this is something like I could ask William this, but I can also just ask Bezzy to do this. I have an at RC line. Oh. I think it's in the wrong game. Yes. Line. S2 states, system, and what's the other one? Standards. If the IRC line is standard formatted, it should enable the message highlights image element whilst the cursor is hovering. I could turn this a button honestly as well. Right? Oh well. The specific line. If I click on the message to open the detail view, it should remain highlighted till the detail view is closed as well. Oh, fucking my life. Let's update this shit. In the meantime, do we have some other stuff should be updating? Good morning. Hi, Zach. How's it going? I also feel like I'm getting sick, unfortunately, because my throat is not what it used to be anymore, it feels. Which is unfortunate. Because I do like talking. This is for me. Oh yeah, we're gonna look at the ending controller after we've done this, which hopefully shouldn't take too long. My wife also sent me what she wants to eat for dinner. Okay. Okay, so now I should be able to send this and get cracking. Spaghetti, please. Actually, she ate spaghetti yesterday. I made spaghetti yesterday. Today she wants to eat something chicken thigh with tomato salad, kinda. It's kind of hard to see, I guess. This is what she wants to eat. So we'll figure it out. It doesn't seem to be too hard. Oh well. Oh, it's still running. Okay. Do we have other stuff in the meantime? I'm gonna check again what I sent to William. New Patreon tier Marnix cooks for you? No, no, no. What else did I say, William, we're gonna add? Oh, I need to add the localization for this. Norman chat moderation. Did what endings is safe? Estimated data. I don't know if he's done that. More cover art. I need to do it. Then I need to check. He needs to do the betting part till it shows details. Both endings work. So I guess he hasn't done the rest yet. He has a busy day coming up today as well then. Oh, someone was in the call-in channel. I just saw it, but then he left again. If it was like 1 second longer, I would have just dragged him in and put him on the spot. Okay. Is this thing done? Nope. Wow. Taking a while. You plan to stream daily through the Indie Fest day? You mean next fest, right? I think so. If I'm mentally capable, I'll do it. I remember from last next fest, there were some bad games as well. Where like the last few days, I was just like, I don't want to do this. What are we doing here? It was just all like fucked, for lack of a better word. And this is still running. Okay. We also just got like this message in like the game one. I only start the game and I'm somehow already 4 hours in. I think that's good. I don't know how to interpret that. But hey, he likes it, I guess. Come on. Align mono behavior. I pull pointer handlers. Those are fine. Dinner, afternoon coffee. Enjoy other kinders. Okay. It's like we died. Perfect. I need to go and get here. Norman. Tutorial. Underscore chat moderation. Underscore 1. So. You seem to have been going well. Knorp's here. Knorps? I don't know. What do I write for dialogue for Norman? Hey, big boss. Seems you've been making games just fine. Without old Norman's help. Your games are truly starting to hit the mainstream now. That comes with some problems. ... As your player base grows, you inevitably get toxic players and cheaters. It's your task to monitor the RC and make sure they are dealt with swiftly. This way other players will have. This way the real players will have a better experience. Should Google rebrand other icons? Yeah, like a few weeks ago, I think at this point. This thing done? I think it's done. Let's give it another run. Yes. So now you can more easily see clean of like, hey, what's the message? Probably want to change the message highlight color a little bit to be like lighter. Does this update live? I don't think it updates live. It doesn't update live. Or maybe if I save it. No, I need to restart it. Oh well. I just want it like a little bit clear of like, hey, you're hovering over something. Good night, Honor. Sleep well. Some supposed to show the percentage increase, but it gets rounded down to 0. So the update coming on Friday. Interest does actually go up behind the scenes. I think we can actually save it, like fix this thing in like 1 second. Let's first do a pro gamer move called cheating. Unlock all upgrades. Bam. Unlock all research. Bam. Okay. So he's doing escrow interest 1, which is this one. With data editor window, upgrades. This one, modifiers, yes. Put this on 2. Must exit to save the scene. I don't want to save the scene. I think it's like some stupid number. Because it's a percentage, so this needs to be like 4. No. I think we just need to hide it. Because it is at like, same thing with like the service fee. I think if we put like 8, we still can't see it. I don't know why. But like, we're just supposed to hide the small numbers. Yeah, because it does plus increase. Yeah. Shmigi, good night. Hope you sleep well. Let's also hide these. Okay, these 3 are hidden. And that is solved as well. Easy. Okay, so chat message highlight on hover is done. Let's go to Norman. Tutorial. AFGH tutorial. This work again. Entries. Catalog. Tutorial true fans. EFGHI. Tutorial chat moderation. It's under Norman. All this. Chat moderation 1. Chat moderation 2. So what triggers this again? How do we determine a trigger? This isn't traceable. This needs a new ID. Duplicate key, yes. Why is everyone sleeping? Because it's a work day tomorrow, I assume. People don't want to die. ABCD tutorial true fans. Why do I have tutorial true fans 2 times? Oh. Tutorial chat moderation. Yes, okay. How did the Norman triggers work again? Was it on like button enabling? Yeah, no, Norman highlighting. That's just, we have to indicate. Norman tutorial scheduler. Email toast. Description. Okay. So we added Norman. Added Norman I or duration. Steps needs to still be triggered automatically upon, I don't know, 10,000 fans? How many true fans does it normally take? Does this guy answer as well? Okay. Because how many true fans? Oh, we don't have any true fans yet. Yes, this looks better. Pro Gamer is an orc monk. Mystic Way is a halfling warrior, level 45, 62. We do want the LVL text. Player chat player detail level should actually I can just do this myself, I think. I don't need to ask him. Player details visualizer. Yes. Edit script. Level dot set text LVL dot. Perfect. Details dot level. Player details cache dot get details. Damn, he even stores it. What a guy. Because I think level is an abbreviation you do not need to localize, so we can just do it like this. I think it's one of those standards. Yes, perfect. So now, I mean, chat is kind of in the way. But you can see now it says level 79 here. You can kind of see like how far they are. These things do not do anything. It's just fun. My toddler sure believes sleeps is optional. His grandma let us know he napped from 8 p.m. until 10 p.m. One day he's gonna sleep, right? One day he's gonna grow up. I hope. I don't know how it works. Okay. Norman chat moderation is done on my side. Second ending is localized for the 2 new buttons. On ending expected, you can trigger first and second ending checks. Okay, let's do those. I think those 2 values, I just looked at it, make sense because that was the old one that we had. Solitaire UI. Also been updated. Go away. So okay. Endings. I wanted to trigger the endings. His older brother didn't sleep until I was 5. Jesus. Thinking about retirement. Keep ownership or sell company. Aha, I can close it again, but I have to. Okay. So we sell the company. I forgot we have this beautiful ending. I don't know if you guys can hear like... It has like sand ambience. Not sand, but like ocean music. Okay. So now if we go back... Hey there, it's Chad from Gab from Golden Egg. So they're seeing some smashes. Come back as independent strategic consultant. Okay, accept. And then now we got the game. We can trigger ending 2 condition. New email regaining ownership. Chat here. So the one thing that I am... Oh no, okay, perfect. So it's just different buttons. I can just change the localization for this easy mode. Let's do that. Email. Under pop-up somewhere. Pop-up. Game win pop-up. Pop-up. Yes. So regain and sell. Game win. Option. Game win _2. So if you did get acquired, to regain, it will be this one, regain ownership. And then here, game win _2_ declined option, accept buyout. So you're kind of forced to do that. What's with the suit? Nothing. That's just it. I'm gonna take it off though. It's getting a bit hot here. So we go back to regular work mode. 1 second. Perfect. Striptease stream. You need to give me more money for that, Zeph. I need some matcha for that. If you want more off. Okay, so these 2 are done. I think I can double check though. Yeah, this I did myself. How's the summer? I'll make sure to have a supply ready next time. So far, the summer is pretty okay. Because it's rainy season right now. So, okay, there's just one button. This is not a smart string yet. And then we can just regain ownership. And now we have the second achievement. So that's the thing. It used to be a one-time if you... if you declined, you had to do another entire save, like an entire full game again, to get the other ending. And now you can get both ending achievements. I saw the code. You can tell Bite Me Games isn't run by suits. If only you knew. If only our players knew. Let's put this at 5 million. And then 200,000. No, 225,000. Rain, the best weather. No, not at all. Okay. It's now a stock trading channel. You won't believe. Wait, I should do like Bitcoin chart. And then with like the graph at the back, I'm like, hey guys, so welcome to Bitcoin. This is what's going on right now. We are down 2% today. But remember, guys, hold on for dear life. Hodl. I think that then concludes. Let me pull up William's, like the message I sent to William again. What did we else have to do? I just joined. Why are you yeah, Bitcoin? We're just messing around. Don't worry. We're not becoming a crypto channel just yet. So he needs to... So get both endings in a single save done. Solitaire implemented. He just needs to make it better. I need to add sound effects. I'm going to add the sound effects now maybe already. Have estimated data updated for him. Norman pop-up needs to be triggered based on him. The fluff is implemented, so it needs to ban. And then the more research we are no longer doing. Okay. Think we're almost there. You inspired me to wear a shirt while making games. You're welcome. Just, you know, you're a real developer. I don't know. It makes sense. How are we doing? You know, money, 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 business, business, business. 350 bucks today. Let's go. You know, this is like those business gurus. All you need is 350 bucks a day and you're making 10K a month. Here's how to make $352 in a day by doing nothing. You know, like make $352 a day. It's like this. The latest way to make $352 online in 2026. I need to make this like thumbnail and then this. Just make successful game and then do nothing else. 352 exactly. I think that's because, I don't know, if you do like, actually no, like 10K a month divided by, let's say 30, 323. 10K a month divided by 28, 357. I don't know. I think it's just like... It's so funny. How to make 352? How I lost 352 day trading? And then eating for $2 a day. I like how these three videos are so insanely different from each other. But all YouTube is like, yeah, this is exactly what you mean. If you look up make $352 a day, you're gonna need to watch the video of how you eat for $2 a day. See, day trading recap. I can start my day trading stuff. After racing next game. Oh, I should do like the Stonks meme myself. Stonks. I feel like there's no way that I don't have a cards sound effect yet. Just on my PC. UI and menu sound effects. Miscellaneous. Motion. No. Fantasy interface sounds. Coin. Card shuffle. Cards place. Oh, it stopped my Skyrim music. This sounds okay. Assets, audio. There we go. Parts place 12. And then card shuffle. I have so many card shuffle. Why do I have so many card shuffle? And is this too quiet for you guys to hear as well? Oh well. I think this is fine. Card place and card shuffle. Then we out the data editor window. Enums. Audio data type. Card placement. Card shuffle. This should then be running. Yes, this is compiling. Card shuffle and card placement. Okay. I think otherwise, honestly, I think we're doing pretty on track. I think William can probably wrap up the rest of the required development work for this game today, like his time, and then we have one more day to just get everything ready, make all of the builds, and then make the community post. Probably I'm gonna make another video as well of like, hey, here's the update, here's what we added, enjoy, just so our YouTube channel isn't dead, and then go from there. I think those are the things that I have to do for now. I think we can close this. And oh, I'm gonna start up my Skyrim music again. Okay, 114 changes. Solitaire, endings, localizations, chat indicator, chats, highlights. What else do we do? I think those are the main ones. SFX, commit, push. I'm thinking, should I get a haircut today? I feel like my hair is getting like kind of long. Maybe I'm going crazy. I don't know what you guys think. I'm gonna go on my stockbroker lunch break to the hair salon. I even have like the like salaryman bag. My wife hates it. I love the bag so much. It's like perfect for me. And every time she looks at it, she just can't be anything else than disgusted. The bag gives her the biggest ick ever. And I'm like, why? Because it's like messenger style bag. So she would have never dated me in university. I mean, no one dated me in university. Because I always wore a messenger bag there as well. Get rid of the bag. I don't want to get rid of the bag. The bag is a nice bag. And she even told me, I like showed it to her on like the website. And then she's like, oh yeah, this looks nice. And then once it was here, she's like, this is horrible. Don't ever wear this when you're with me. And I'm like, what do you mean? This is evil. Okay, I sent William the odds and ends for him. You should ask your wife before you cut your hair. Nah, I've done it a few times at this point. She doesn't really mind that part. Also, polish harder. Polish shader, I guess, is actually the name, not polish harder. Polish shader, thanks for the follow. Okay, this is done. Let's take a look actually how yesterday's video is performing. Oof, 9 out of 10. I think it should be fine though. We get any new comments? Did you guys watch the video? Did you guys watch the video? I hope you did. I don't know if you guys did. It's fine. It's more of a niche one. Not yet. This is the real, the good shit. I kind of don't know which title of the Steam marketing video. I didn't. I only did one. I never ended up doing the other ones. This one, right? I didn't A/B test here. I just was like, okay, we'll do this one. What I wanted to say, I forgot what I wanted to do. I kind of don't think I'm gonna stream much longer because it's almost been 2 hours. My throat is kind of getting fucked. Oh, they added it now. They highlight the daily deals. This wasn't there just a few days ago, and now they have tags for today's deal. They have been pushing a lot of changes to prod recently. Because you couldn't see like, oh, this is a daily deal. Up until, I guess, now. Yeah, we have the calendar. What is this game? This is one of those psychedelic games. Fish. Yes. This looks like a Godot game. How's Solarpunk doing? Mostly positive. Okay, yeah, they're doing all right. Their review rate is pretty low, I feel, though. Oh, well. Anyways. Like, I could get started on net profits, but I don't think I will. I think I'm gonna wrap it up here. Okay, anybody has a Steam page they want me to look at. If you have anything that you want me to look at, right now is the time, because I don't want to end the stream just yet, but I also don't want to start working on something new. You guys are the real homies for being here. Just 50 viewers instead of like 160. So if you guys have something... Oh, Dakota has a Steam page? Just kidding. I thought so. I was like, what are we getting here? I thought he was going to cancel his game. But no. Too bad. But happy to see you here, Dakota. I thought you were gone today. Unfortunately, I feel like your store page... It's going to come out one day, right? How is Starvester doing? Because Starvester is lately getting... Yeah, it's mostly positive. Ooh. They're also like... fighting for mixed versus mostly positive. Same as MO98. Underking and Watcho Plane. Let's take a look at Watcho Plane. Sounds like more fun. Border meta. Let's go. You guys see this? Watch you immediately see here. Watcho Plane. Okay, you have stroke. I don't like that about your gameplay. What? Okay. Pilot a chaotic plane with a friend in this cooperative adventure. Work together, survive brutal obstacle, conquer minigames, and see how far your teamwork can take you. You don't have a trailer. I think you need a trailer as soon as possible to explain what this game is about. Okay, so this is localized images. I always check this. I think also a big problem for the reviews. You didn't localize these. What I would do is I would just localize, but not the image. Just do like a regular H2. And go from there. Because this is kind of meh. Steam capsule I think is really solid. Let's get that out of the way as well. I think this is a really nice Steam capsule. You got like good gradients and all of that. Oh, you're for Adam and Jacob 4T. Yeah. Oh yeah, Underking. This capsule also looked really fucking good. Yeah. Oh yeah. And they're the Lost Term dev. Absolutely. Okay. This makes sense. I knew Underking was from Lost Term. I didn't connect the dots. So probably for the non-English languages, remove the image headers and just have it be like localized text. I would do there. Chaotic co-op adventure. Okay. Dodge obstacles, win minigames, fly in style, face, outfit, hat. This would probably be a GIF, I would say, where you have like static camera and then you like swap through the different outfits. I think that's kind of what we're missing here with the store page in general, is you're showing a rage game. You have a rage game, but you're not showing anything for the rage game. And I think that is the thing that I would look at some point sooner rather than later. A GIF or anything to show me what the actual store page, the actual game would look like. Okay, and then Underking. I think Underking is gonna be solid. Once again, got the border here. Mining incremental first-person game. The visuals are extremely strong with this one. Once again, no trailer? No, you have trailer. Yes. Oh, it's a node buster where you have a limited time to mine. Brother, this is not a trailer. This is 3 minutes and 30 seconds long. This is a genius idea. Brother, give this a good trailer and this shit would slap. Underking still such a good fantasy. Yeah, this game could definitely do it. And then you can see like how far in the mine you are. Sometimes I wish I could steal viewer game ideas. I would beat the shit out of you. I don't know. Stop working on the plane game and finish this one ASAP. Yeah. Give this a good trailer. Put this on a YouTube. Because I think this is kind of earlier someone was asking us like, should you still make simulator games? And I think this is kind of the evolution of like simulator games like Trading Card Shop Simulator. Merging them with incrementals. Because one thing that I've said before incrementals were even that big, is like a simulator game is for the most part a 3D incremental. They have a lot in common. And this is just diving in deeper. I think 2D incrementals are out. And I think the next 6 months is going to be like the rest of this year. If you want to jump on the incremental hype, in the incremental game hype, I think you need to go 3D. Is what I firmly believe in. And now you have like more time. Yeah, give this a real trailer. A dwarf mining simulator is not exactly the most unique idea. But that doesn't matter, Mythics. It doesn't matter that it's not a unique idea. What matters is, do people want to play this and does it look good? And that's what matters. You don't need unique. You need something that people actually look at and are like, fuck yeah, this looks like something good. I mean, yeah, I know it's good. I could steal it. I think the problem is like, I'm a YouTuber. I think genuinely there might be someone in chat watching. I mean, there's not that many people watching who try and copy this almost. But yeah, the most passive wishlist, no marketing or anything. Yeah, you're at like 10 followers already. You did fuck all for this. And you're already doing pretty good. Incremental games are about dopamine and numbers going up. Those are the real incremental games. So you need to think about there is a new audience of like casual incremental gamers. Not the ones who play games like a Melvor Idol. But a lot of people got like introduced to like incremental games through like things like Feed the Hole. Fill up the hole. And even like a game about feeding a black hole. And those are not the same people who would play a Melvor Idol. Or like what's it? A Paperclip? Something Paperclip Factory or something. Don't think it's on Steam. And you're hitting on that. No one thinks that deeply. If you want to make a 3D dwarf mining game, I don't think I'm going to make a 3D dwarf mining game. I have enough stuff to do. And then this also has like that same appeal, kind of that like the digging games have, of like a game about digging a hole. So I think Underking is really solid. And then the Nodebuster loop of you go mining for a limited amount of time is just so genius, if you ask me. I don't know if it's genius. I just never considered it, but once I saw it in the trailer, I'm like, this makes sense. Anyways. Underking is also, yeah, just more as a dwarf. And so, if you're a dwarf, life is good. Yeah, I think this is an easy 250k game. Honestly, not even 100k. I think you should be solid there. I think the main thing now is drop everything and work on this as much as you can. Like, probably... When do you recommend putting a frame on the Steam capsule? I would put it on... Oh. Rest in peace, Steam. Why do I like it? If you look at full personal calendar, where you have like all of these like games. Because there's so much here. Is there any capsules? This is a viewer game, so that's why he has the frame. The ones with like the cards or like the frames generally stand out a lot more. If you're like in this whole list, like Caravan Village Farming Life, this is a very lackluster capsule, or like Rift Wizard. Like, even if you just put like Rift Wizard is a pretty bad capsule, but if you just put a border around it, it's going to like pop way more. Meant to be a friend sub, then we saw Predfall come out. The capsule kind of is similar. Oh yeah, this is also like the digging one. Yeah, and then you pivoted to incremental, I guess. I think it's still a solid thing. The Goblin game is a Goblin company. What do you mean? Oh, is it the Godot game? I didn't know. But yeah. I think really solid. Anything on popular upcoming? It's just the same. So. But I don't get popularity of job simulators. It's just... It's like the... Do you guys see this? It's on XD Everything app. Can we actually find the site? Spin. Link is in the thread. Come on, give me a link. Is there no link? Oh my god, I'm gonna kill this fucking post. But basically, it's just like making like a fake dopamine site of like you can buy stuff for fake money and things like that, and you can see like the tracking. And I think that's kind of a thing with like all of the simulator games. It's just fun. It's just doing stuff that it's escapism in its purest form. Because I'm never going to work as a pool cleaner, most likely. But I can play the games where you do that. So yeah. Anyways, guys, everybody, thank you very much for today's joining of Business together with your host, Mr. Business. I'm gonna leave it here. I wish you guys a very splendid and productive day. Jacob, I think you're based in Poland. I think you should go to sleep at this point. And yeah, that's all right to say. I'll see you guys in the next one. Maybe I'll be back tomorrow. I think it really depends on my throat, because my throat is kind of struggling a bit. So I need to become the throat goat again. Anyways, see you guys in the next one. Bye.